Hello everyone, welcome back with the third puzzle. Not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, December the 31st, 2022. No, it's today, actually New Year's Day. On New Year's Day we don't receive any newspaper. So it's the edition of Thursday, December the 29th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. And now it's time for the Tectonic with one star. And this will be number 5721. Alright. 5721. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. In this puzzle, we have here 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, and it's also indicated with one star. And for one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is really a one star puzzle. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. This is the single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Wow. New Year's Day. Here also, the same situation. This box can be a 1, so no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But the inside box can only be 4 or a 5, okay. Triple box, quadra boxes then. Here we see a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, the numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Same for this L shape. Here another L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 5. Alright. That's a 5. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? Nope. Only 2 of them. The next shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah, it's happening outside. People throwing fireworks, yes. Alright, here, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. But also, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Yeah. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright, it's a 5. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Oh, forget to draw the red boxes here. A maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. I think these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. No, sorry, the 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes at there. 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2, and this box is connected with that box. So 1 and the 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. I have marked those 2 boxes with early with a 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1 then. Okay, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. This box, wait. This box can be a 5 and this box can be a 1. So the 1 and a 5. Oh, wait. One conclusion. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means I cannot place a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. Need to wait. 3 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2. Sorry, can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on with the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, we have a Samurai Sudoku left of Saturday edition. So see you later. Bye bye for now.